Hello guys and welcome to Molus Vlog. I am Luis and today we are in Grand Cayman. Beautiful day. I'm one of the first ones to go out of the boat, so I take advantage because the tenders get really busy. So my plan is to go and have a nice dinner excursion, so I hope you enjoy and check this out. So as you know guys, Grand Cayman doesn't have a port, doesn't have a pier. So all the ships when they come to Grand Cayman, they need to take these tender boats. This is the process. Each tender boat has a capacity of 250 people. And this is the process to go out. Very nice. The tender boat ride takes about 15 minutes from the ship to the pier. And you can see the other different ships like Disney, Carnival, Royal Caribbean. And once you arrive to the pier, the most amazing thing is the color of the water as it looks like a swimming pool. Okay guys, so we are in the port in Grand Cayman. You can see everybody is waiting for tours. Most of them are going to Stingray City, or they're going to 7 Mile Beach, or take the helicopter, or they go to the caves. So this is my friend Stephanie. We work together in the casino, and today we are going to Stingray City. So we just came here and we just bought the ticket from them. They're here outside. You don't have to. You can book it online. It will cost you $60, or you can come here outside. It will cost you $65. We just want to make sure that we take it here because these people are the ones who's going to take you there, and we're just going to keep you updated. So if you need to wait, you can come here for a snack. You can buy patties, you can buy hot dogs, you can buy anything. It's quite affordable. Actually, not that expensive comparing how Grand Cayman is. So you can come here and get your snack before you go for your tour. So we took the bus to go and take another boat, and from the bus to the boat is gonna take around 50 minutes according to the driver. Depends on traffic. It's a nice view here. Very fancy place. Grand Cayman is a little resort. As you may know, it's a little place with banks as well. Certain people, they rather open a bank account here. It's the second best place in the world for banks after Switzerland. Okay, we're leaving the bus now and we're about to take one of these boats. It's gonna be our lucky boat to get to the other side. How you doing guys? So good? Excellent, thank you. Costa Rica.
Oh yes, somos nicaragüenses.
Ah, mira lo que vecinos. So this is our boat, guys. As far as I know, we'll take about 25 minutes to get there, to get to Stingray City. We are right here in the front of the boat, actually. Literally at the front of the boat. They have a very nice golf course at that time. Massive one. Because actually we saw it when we were coming in the bus. Yeah, it's pretty big. And I guess all these boats are taking people to Stingray City. It's the most popular tour here in Grand Cayman. Right after this one is the caves, which I heard is really good. But yeah, Stingray City is the one that everybody wants to come and do here. So this is the people from our boat. This is the area where we dock right here. You can find the starfish. This is the starfish here. Oh, you got two. Oh, wow, nice. Oh, that's very nice. How does it feel?
Like the bottom has like a bunch of like legs on it.
Are they moving?
No, they're like hard legs. You can hold it.
Can I?
Yeah. You just can't pick it up out of the water. That's all. Your mom.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. That's cool.
This one has 6 legs.
Yeah, that one have 5. Well, it's amazing. The first time I'm holding one.
You're gonna take a bit. Ay, qué lindo. No la saco del agua. Sí. Ahí nomás.
So everybody here is trying to hold the starfish. It's a great experience for kids especially, so they can have this encounter with nature. It's very nice. Really, really nice. And you can see all the boats for the excursions, they come here. It feels like this is a private beach here in Grand Cayman. It looks really nice actually. The place is really nice. Okay guys, so I'm holding this one right here. People they call it jumper, I don't know why. This one has 6, like compared with the other one that I was holding earlier, that it was 5. It's the first time that I have an encounter with starfish. Like it's the first time I'm holding one. In fact, it's the first time I see them. But I think it's a very nice experience. So we spent here about 20 minutes in this area. From here we're going to see the stingrays. We're going direct to Stingray City, and we're going to spend there about 30 to 45 minutes, and then we're going to snorkel. Nice experience. And the nice thing is it's not that hot today. It feels like it's going to rain actually, but hopefully we're lucky enough to not to catch the rain. Okay guys, we're arriving in Stingray City. Look at the water, it looks like a swimming pool here. Even though it's not sunny, you still can appreciate the colors. Welcome to Stingray City, guys. This is a sandbar here in Grand Cayman, and this is the #1 attraction. This is why people come here to swim with the stingrays. I want to show you how cool it is. Check this out. Guys, you can hold it. Look at this. Wow. Look at people are holding it here.
Make a circle, guys. Make a circle for me. Okay, so guys, this is the Southern Atlantic stingray, okay? And they interact with people every day. So they're like very friendly and gentle and rescuing. Sometimes they're actually aggressive, it's because they're hungry, okay? And when it's so crowded people out here, they go in a deeper part. So her name is Spotty. Okay? And she's pregnant, okay?
Oh!
Pregnant. As you can notice up here,
Yeah!
she's
Wow!
pregnant. Alright? As I was mentioning, all these big stingrays are female. She's a female, alright? And as I said before, the only danger part of a stingray is this bar, this bone. Otherwise, nothing. You have a lovely smile, right, on your head. That's her smile, okay? She had her breathing gill on top of her head. That's her breathing gill. Her eyes is right above her, okay? And if you touch her skin, it's like a sandpaper. Touch. Come on, girls. Turn your back to me, sir.
Yeah.
It's a male.
Yeah. Yeah. Could this one sting you?
Yeah, they can.
Okay. And then over here.
I take it.
You can rub happen. Relax your muscle, relax. Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Okay. Turn your shoulder to me. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Perfect.
Okay, dude.
Together now.
There you go. It's recording now. That's so nice. Check the color of the water, guys. It's unreal. It's like a swimming pool here. You can see people holding it by themselves, man. It literally feels like you are in a swimming pool. The color of the water. Look at this. Look how big that one over there. Massive. So this is how you hold a stingray. This is a female. As you can see, it's very calm. It's very novel compared to the other one.
Love you.
Yeah. You have to rub it the belly in order for you to put them here. Like yeah, come hold it. You need to rub it the belly. Rub the belly. Rub the belly. So all this that you are watching right now is the line to go back to the ship. This is crazy. I've never seen a line like this one. So just to give you an example, our line goes here, goes around it at the very end, and then goes here, then I don't know where's the beginning, because when we started right here, and that was like half an hour ago, and so you got only 45 minutes to go. It's a busy day today, and since we have 3 ships, yeah, this is the result of it. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed Grand Cayman as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Share with your friends. This is it for today, and ciao for now.